brainstorming dumb stuff.
It's recording, I think.
Hello, recorder.
Hello.
How are you today?
I woke up really early.
I
did not take a shower, so I
I'm
still
in
have
a
bedhead. We're in Kayaking.
I hope we're in the shot.
If not, we'll just use the recording.
You can see it? Dude, this thing is awesome.
I love it.
I'm just hoping like the GoPro, like I want to buy like a big one of these for the GoPro.
To the GoPro, so you can just
Big one of these for the GoPro.
See, look at
Be
that.
happy.
See, you could totally see how it attaches though.
Like
Yeah,
here?
You can totally
You
do
could
that.
totally hook that on the GoPro.
But I would want a bigger one. Oh, there's a screen on this side too.
There's a screen on both sides?
Holy kayak.
Yeah, there's a big screen on the back.
No,
Is
there's
there a screen on the front? No.
No.
You have to see that video.
You
You
should.
have to see it. They're like in Alaska, and they're going to this town. It's called like Kayaking, and they're like, how do you say it? Like the locals, and the locals like Kayaking.